Namaste. Sampradana Charitable Trust, Mysore, Karnataka, India. This is in connection to the first video regarding active meditation. Unless otherwise, you know the basic things. The clarity and the meaning of this thing going to the subconscious brain, it is very difficult to follow this system. That's why I have been giving some detailed a lecture on this. Kindly listen to it. Once you are able to understand what is what, then it is very easy for you to do the things in the proper way. See, early in the morning you wake up and your wife comes to you, and wife or mother or somebody else who is in charge of the domestic affairs, they will come and tell you, see, you have to go to the electricity department, or the corporation office, and do certain things or get certain things done from that office, or else your license will be taken off. Some problem with some government department, and one of your family member will tell you that it has to be done today. You are in a very urgent mood to go to the office. You are getting prepared, and you go to the office. See, you observe very well. See, there are so many things are being stored, and day-to-day temporary goals are being fixed or targeted on daily basis. See, certain important things, whether you like it or not, while driving your car, okay, it is coming out. I have to go to the office, I have to get the things done. Okay, you go to the office and sit in your chair. You take up your job. Even while doing the job also, the target fixed at home at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning will be getting repeated. Repeatedly, that will be brought out from the brain. And because of the busyness in the work, even if you try to forget, it won't go out of your mind. You go to lunch, you go to toilet, you do whatever job you like. Without your conscious, the thing which are being stored in the early morning, that will be taken out repeatedly, and you are pressurized to get the things done before evening. That is your plan. You see that somehow by 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock you go out of the office, go to the particular government department and see that the thing is done. How it is happening? It is because of the subconscious level. Certain things are programmed, and the goal, the thought process will be converted into action. The thought process, the programs are converted into thoughts. The thought process are converted into current that will be pumped into the blood. Each and every cells of the blood, each and every cells of the body, it repeats the goal every now and then. That's why you are able to complete the work within the stipulated time. This is the power of the mind. So, without knowing the technique, you are able to achieve the things as you feel. If you do it in a very planned way, automatically it is very easy. Not only one job, you are able to achieve so many goals in a day. People say that I take only one job and complete. I am not able to take up 2 or 3 jobs at a time or this thing in a day and see the things done. But if you learn this art, so many things are being programmed in the subconscious brain in a very technical way. Automatically you get trained yourself and see the things done as planned. See, for instance, a small kids, you tell the kid that while going out, you tell the kid that you are going to get the baby one ice cream. Okay, you never tell the baby to record the things in the subconscious brain. You take the baby out with your family members, and instead of going to exhibition or some other place where you have planned for, you go to some other place. Once you come out of the house, the baby starts for asking the ice cream. Whether it is 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours or 5 hours engagement, the baby never failed to ask you for the ice cream every 10 minutes once. But at the end of the day, before you come back to home, the baby will get the ice cream. When a small baby is capable of getting the things done, it is very easy for the adult, for the grown-up people to program certain things in the subconscious brain scientifically and see it is done compulsorily. Whether it is a small goal or a big goal, whether it is a temporary goal or a lifetime goal, 200% you are able to achieve it. This is the power of the mind. The thinking process, if you think properly, positively, definitely it will be taken up and see that something is done. This is the power of the mind. Why you have to sit for active meditation? Because the mind, even if you go to sleep, it is working. You dream something at your sleep, while you sleep. Unless otherwise, you halt the or stop the thinking process, you cannot go to the subconscious mind. See, it is just like a computer. There are so many layers. There are so many layers, so many records one by one after the other. So many records have been stored in the brain. To go to that particular spot and take the, it is not a computer. By simply giving a command, this is the file and this is the page, you go to that page and this is the word, you find the word and take it out and give it to me. No, it cannot be done like that. So it is a process. Slowly you have to tap the subconscious brain, go to the subconscious brain and see the particular profile, see the particular page, see the particular record and reprogram it. So you got to calm the mind. How to calm the mind? Unless otherwise the body is calmed down, the mind will not calm. How to calm the body and how to calm the mind? It's a simple relaxation technique for the body. Once you relax the body, automatically the mind will go to the subconscious level. This is a very wonderful technique. You know in yoga, this thing, yoga nidra. They see top of the head to the tip of the toe, part by part, part by part. They visualize. Inside the screen of the brain, they visualize everything, part by part of the human body. Automatically, if you say relax, 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 it is a command. As I told you, whatever you think, whatever you say, that happens. If you say relax, automatically it relaxes. You never tried. You try once. Okay. Next video, I will tell you what is what.